Hey, welcome back. Hey, it's Shrashira. Hey, check this out. Today we're doing some shrimp, right? But not just any shrimp. This is a rum glazed grilled shrimp. And it also has a sweet bell pepper salad with feta cheese and some vinaigrette two ways. One spicy, one not spicy. So it's completely up to you. Look at this. There's your salad, good to go. There's your shrimp, yeah, nice. And the vinaigrettes, check this out, you gotta see this. Spicy and not spicy, yeah, naughty or nice. It's up to you. So check out the recipe, hope you enjoy it. And definitely try it for yourself, right? Do not fall victim to flavor fatigue because you keep eating the same things every day, all day. Switch it up a bit. This is Shrashira. Enjoy. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, we want to marinate the shrimp. Now, what I have here is 14 of the 16 to 20 count shrimp. And what that means is that for every pound of shrimp, you're going to get 16 to 20 of them, right? But I'm only using 14 of them right now. So here I have lemon juice. Right, and we have roughly about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We have about a tablespoon of minced garlic, about a teaspoon of kosher salt, teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of parsley, right? And we have red onions here. Now, the red onions, we have about 2 tablespoons of it, and then we have about 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. Okay, so now let's get these mixed in the shrimp, and we're gonna put those in the refrigerator. So let's get these shrimps marinated here. First thing I want to do is add the olive oil. So pour that in, right? Then I want to add the salt, then the pepper. Now I'm going to add the parsley, that in there. Add the garlic. Get all that in there. Nice. The lemon juice. And the shallots. So we got the shallots in there. I don't know if I said shallots before. I don't know if I call them just onions, red onions. But these are actually shallots. I see there's a little bit more oil I can get out of here, so let's get that too. Yeah, so these are shallots. So now, what I'm going to do, seal it up, get most of the air out, as much as you can get out. You know, you don't have to go crazy with it, but just, and then we're going to mix this up. Okay, make sure everything gets all over the shrimp. And we're going to put this in the refrigerator, right, for 1.5 to 2 hours. Okay, make sure it's nice and marinated well. See that? Doesn't that look nice? So let's get this in the refrigerator. Now, what I like to do is take a small bowl and put the Ziploc in the bowl, right? So in case there's any leaking, it'll catch it. So let's put this in the refrigerator, 1.5 to 2 hours. At the halfway point, we're gonna massage it again. Okay, so for our glaze, we're gonna need about a tablespoon of garlic, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of spiced rum, and about 1/3 of a cup of shallots that have been sliced thinly. So let's get that going. Now for this glaze, I'm going to heat our pan up, right? And add some olive oil. Okay. And what we want to do now is we want to sweat our red onions and our garlic. So when this heats up, we're going to do just that. Alright, medium to medium high. Add the red onions. We're not trying to color them. We just want to sweat them out a little bit. Alright, just let them percolate a bit. Alright, so keep stirring these up. Now we're going to add the garlic. Garlic in there. And again, we're not giving any color to this. Just mix it all in. Right, now let's add a little salt and pepper. And this is optional. You don't have to add salt and pepper. This is just optional. But if you're going to add it, add about a teaspoon of each. That's all you need. Keep it moving. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to add our spiced rum. It shouldn't be flammable, but be careful just in case it is. And we're going to let this reduce. Get that boiling pretty good. Let all the flavors go. Now let's add our brown sugar. Let's get that dissolved. Get that dissolved in there. We want to cook all the alcohol out of this. And that's going to take about 1.5 to 2 minutes. You want to reduce this until it's almost like a syrup, right? Because we're making a glaze after all, so let's put in the work. Alright, so you see how it's bubbling? It looks kind of like lava, right? It's because a lot of the water has evaporated, right? So you're going to be down to like the sugars, right? So you're almost done. Get this stirred up good. The red onions are going to sweeten, the garlic's going to be sweet and fragrant. It's going to be almost like a candied situation here. So see how when I scrape, you can see the bottom of the pan, right? See that? So you know it's close. Technically I could stop now, because as it cools it's going to thicken up. But I want to give this about another minute. Alright, so it's been about a minute. Look at that. See that? That's how we want it. See how I'm moving it? Thick. Water's gone. Let's turn the heat off. Now let's get the shrimp ready. So we have 2 skewers here. We have our 14 shrimp. And we're going to put 7 shrimp on each skewer. Right? So we're going to go a small part of the tail to the larger part. Right, it's one way you can do it. See if we can get 7 of them on here. The marinade looks like it took really well. And these skewers, they have been soaking in water. Hopefully that'll stop them from burning when we grill them. Alright, so let's just get them on here. Need 2 more. For this guy, 2 more. Yes, Mama Shark banging and clanging the doors and things. I'm doing the shrimp, so you know it's not me. Okay, there's 7. So let's do the next 7. Alright, there we go. Now, let's get the grill ready. Alright, so the grill's heating up. Spray with a little canola oil. Alright, now let's add our shrimp. And we're going to cook the shrimp for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes per side. That's all you need. Let's move this guy over a little bit. There we go. Alright. Okay, now we're going to turn these guys over. Two minutes on this side. Alright, give these guys one more flip. Be careful not to burn yourself. 30 seconds so we turn the heat off. Now let's glaze them. Give it a flip. Let the glaze side cook 30 seconds. Give it 30 seconds and we're going to pull it off. So now for the salad, we're going to need some red onions, sweet bell peppers, you know, that I've julienned, right? Some feta cheese, see that, feta cheese, and some fresh dill. All right, let's get this in our container here. Salad bowl here. That in there, nice little salad. Get it all in. Gonna be really good. Now let's work on the dressing. So for the first vinaigrette, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. About 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And about 3 tablespoons of oil. Right? And we're going to add some pepper to that. So let's get the pepper in there. About a teaspoon of pepper. Really don't need salt, really. And let's get this mixed up. you want to emulsify it, see? So it makes it real fast. See how that color changed? Let me get my tasting chopsticks. See what we got. Oh, that's delicious. They're mixed up. Now look at this. Like these, right? Like that. That's what we putting it in. So there's one done. Now let's work on the next one. For this next vinaigrette, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of oil, any oil you like. We're going to need half of a jalapeno. I took the seeds and placenta out, and we're going to have slices of orange here, okay? And we're going to need some Dijon mustard. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add our oil to the blender. Nice. We're going to add our jalapenos. We're going to add just a little bit of Dijon, maybe a teaspoon, and we're going to blend this up. We want to make sure that the jalapenos are completely liquefied. And we add a little bit more oil to that. There we go. All right, now let's put in the work. All right, let's see what we got. Get another tasting chopstick. Okay, not too bad. Now we're going to add a few of these orange slices to it. All right, let me get another set of tasting chopsticks. See what this tastes like. Much better. Let's get this poured out. What we're going to do, put some oranges in here, our orange supremes in here, orange slices, and then we're going to pour our vinaigrette right on the oranges. Right? Jalapeno slices and all. So let's get everything plated up. All right, so what we want to do is add some of our feta cheese to our salad. All right, get that on there. Very nice. Now let's add our shrimp. Awesome. All right, let's see what we're working with. Look at this. Spiced rum glazed shrimp. We have a sweet bell pepper salad with feta cheese. We have our jalapeno vinaigrette. And then we have our basic vinaigrette here, so you can pick and choose which one you want. This is going to be delicious. If you enjoy this recipe, definitely try it out, right? You won't be disappointed. Like, comment, share. This is Shrashira, and I'm out.